here is the commander who talks to you from the cockpit of the Petra shuttle. Arrival on Mars is scheduled for 18 February 2021. We will cover the distance of 60 billion kilometers in 7 months at a speed of 11,000 kilometers per hour. The commander and all the crew wish you a good job.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now safe to use approved electronic devices. Passenger information section of our in-flight magazine lists devices which may not be used on board at any time. If I could be of any assistance, please feel free to call upon me. Sit back and relax. We'll get you to Milwaukee safely.
Hello, my name is Marco and I'm the commander of the Petra mission. Next to me the American cosmonaut Philomena. Together we will accompany you on this extraordinary journey to Mars. Mars 2020 is a space mission for Mars exploration developed by NASA, whose launch from Cape Canaveral is scheduled from summer 2020. The 7 months mission involves sending a rover to the red planet equipped of numerous analysis tools. The arrival in Jezero crater of Mars is scheduled for February 18, 2021. The most extraordinary thing about this mission is that NASA provides a microchip on which you can write your name. This microchip will be sent with the rover on the ground of Mars. Anyone who writes his name will receive the boarding ticket from NASA. The purposes of the mission are four. Number one, understand if on the planet there has been a simple life form in the past. Number two, to study the climatic condition of the planet. Number three, to study the Martian geology. Number four, provide information on the habitability of the planet for a human expedition. Mars is part of the solar system like the Earth. The solar system is the planetary system consisting of a variety of celestial bodies, maintained in orbit by the force of gravity of the Sun. It consists of the Sun and 2 groups of planets. 4 planets are rocky. In order of distance from the Sun, there are Mercury, Venus, the Earth and Mars. 4 are external gaseous giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. In addition to these 8 major planets, there are 5 so-called dwarf planets, among which there is Pluto. Mars is the 4th terrestrial planet. It is as big as half the Earth. It has one rarefied atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide. It owes its red color to the strong presence of iron oxide. It has 2 satellites, Deimos and Phobos. The Martian solar year is double the Earth. The revolution around the Sun lasts in fact 2 years. The Martian day has the duration of the earthly day, just over 24 hours. The temperature of the atmosphere varies from minus 120 degrees to more 20. Characteristics of the planet are a 27-kilometer height volcano, the highest in the solar system, channels that play the surface, and the crater in the northern hemisphere that occupies 40% of the whole surface of the planet. The rover follows the scheme of the previous Curiosity, with improvements. It is equipped with a thermoelectric generator that exploits the decay of the plutonium, and that of it allows operation in an environment at a minus 63 degrees of average. The rover carries with it 7 analysis instruments and 23 cameras and 2 microphones to record and analyze both landing data and events in the Martian year equivalent to 2 Earth years, which is the estimate of the functioning of the whole mission. The rover will be brought to Mars by a non-reusable missile. As tall as a building of 20 floors, 60 meters, and a diameter of 4 meters, the Atlas 541 has one load capacity of 8 tons. This is necessary because only the rover weighs 1,050 kilograms. The missile has 2 stages. The lower one is equipped with a Russian engine powered by kerosene and liquid oxygen that, in the 4 minutes of ignition, provide a thrust of 4 million newtons. You remember that a newton is the force that serves to improve a body of a kilogram and acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The upper module has a hydrogen and liquid oxygen engine that provides a boost of only, so to speak, 100,000 newtons. The goals of our mission are to unite a team of technicians with different skills, assist those who want to send their name to Mars, recover the personal boarding document from NASA, follow the Mars 2020 mission from preparation to departure, from travel on landing and throughout the analyzed period on the Martian soil, provide to virtual passengers with updated news about the mission, recover the images and data directly from the rover via the NASA website detected during shipment, organize events to follow together both the departure and the landing on Mars, create animations and simulation of the discovery of the planet. Register for free and send your requests to the email address petra2mars@gmail.com. A greeting and a wish for good fun to all from Philomena and your commander. But I know that Philomena has a little surprise for us.
A secret chord that David played that pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Battling on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overview ya. She tied you to the kitchen chair, and she broke your throne, and she got your hair.